How to fix login error in Whataburger. First, if you're having any kinds of problem in the application, make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and turn on your Wi-Fi to have some internet connection. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any internet issues while logging in. However, if there's still problem while logging into your account, you can simply go to your settings, click on General and tap on iPhone Storage. Here you want to scroll down and navigate yourself to the Whataburger application, and you'll see the application over here. Tap on it and click on Offload App. Click on Offload App again and simply reinstall the application. And what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you log into your account, you shouldn't be facing any problem. However, if there's any other kinds of problem in the application, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any further issues, do comment down below.